Z435i tuned to around 400 horsepower, so it's no slouch. So let's get into it. The rendezvous might have the services, and then it's off to Dover, across to Calais, and into France. See you then.
Right, sorted, I think. I don't even know if it's in line. Right, sorry bud, I'm running a little bit late. It's 6 o'clock and I'm only just leaving. So it's actually the first time I've done this with the camera, so you're going to have to bear with me, mate. So I'm off on a road trip with my old buddy boy Chris. Meeting him at Cobham Services, driving down to Dover, catching a 9:30 ferry, and over to Calais, have a bit of breakfast on the boat, and then the adventure begins. This is the first camera angle I've done, so I haven't suggested anything, done anything, because Chris has done everything. Packing was a nightmare. Chris was right, he said I should have done it last night, but I didn't. I'm a knob. Should I have got some fuel? Bollocks. I'll mess that up. So I do need some, really. Check out some of the sounds. Get out of the way.
At the roundabout, take the second exit onto M40 towards London.
And here's the man of the hour. About an hour late.
So, Cobham Services. Just seen Chris. I hate to be a pain, I've got to get some fuel.
He's a boy, anyway. So not only are we running late, ladies and gents, but Mike hasn't even got petrol, so yeah, we've made it 0.3 of a mile. It's going well. Hello, good morning, bonjour de Paris. You join me here in Paris, or well, a suburb just outside of Paris. There's no Eiffel Tower, I'm afraid, to show you here. But we stopped off here last night on our way down to Briançon. We didn't film the sort of outro or any kind of signing off video, mainly because we arrived in what looked like a gang neighbourhood, although I think all is well now. And plus some lady tried to reverse into my car and everything was a bit frantic, so we kind of lost our way with the filming element of our trip. But here we are, and I just thought I'd say good morning. It's a new day, off we go. Hello, good morning and welcome to another place I can't pronounce properly. This is
Briançon.
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 Briançon, a charming Alpine city located in the footholds of a stunning mountainous backdrop. It really is quite special here. But more importantly, it provides us with the perfect base camp to begin our third and final leg of our tour to Monaco. Lying in wait just over those peaks are some mountain twisties, which we're going to go and see now. Let's do it. And there she is. And traverses, it's stunning. And the car is just, yeah. The car is in his element here. This is where it's meant to be. Every shift is just, the noise, intoxicating. And the hairpins force you to down change and then change up and down again. And then you have tunnels. Plenty of them. Hello and welcome to Monaco. We made it. We got here last night and this place truly delivered straight away on it being a supercar mecca. Bugatti were hosting an event in the casino square, so that was pretty cool. More Chirons than I've ever seen before in all different kinds of specs. Stunning stuff. So we're here for a couple of evenings. Time to chill out and take in the sights. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe if you like my first video and let me know what you think. I'll see you on the next one.